Hi guys, Moz here. I've just returned from Margate. I was there yesterday. I was at Airfix Mecca and I had the opportunity to go around and see all the new toolings that are coming out this year. I also had the chance to speak to the marketing, the branding guys. I had the chance to speak to the designers, and one of the designers, as most of you know, is Pramajit. And I went into the shop and I bought this kit and I decided I was going to give it away, but I asked Pramajit to sign it. So the designer of this kit has signed this and I said, so I'm going to give it away, and graciously he did it. Thank you so much, Pramajit. So how to win this kit? Yeah, you're going to have a chance to win it. So two things you have to do. One, you have to be a subscriber to the channel. If you're not a subscriber, just click subscribe, ring the bell, select all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. But also, I want you to put in the, I want you to write a comment, and the comment is, what model kit from Airfix has either impressed you, inspired you, or is there a kit that you fondly remember? And just explain why. And then what I'll do is I'll read through all the comments, and if there's one that I particularly like or something really catches my eye, I'll then select you as the winner of this kit. And you will have this Mosquito personally signed by the designer Pramajit. What a legend. He's a really nice guy. I'm actually really excited by what I've seen at Airfix in the last 12 hours. Really blew me away. I think that the team it's a fantastic team, but I've come away really inspired, and I know that Airfix is in safe hands. If you understand what they're doing behind the scenes, I think you're going to be impressed.
I think that's going to be the main way it's displayed, to be honest, because that's like the meaty bit of it, isn't it? I think a lot of details gone into that by Chris, who you'll be able to see out there. Talk to him about it.
See that the engine itself is that you could bag that engine up as it is and sell it. Seriously, I think you could. But I remember seeing this at the Duxford when they brought it out. I was like, fucking hell.
So nice. I think the releases this year are really, really strong.
Honestly, I've come away from this day really, really impressed. And I will do a video on this, and I'll also do a video about Humbrol as well, and my thoughts on Humbrol. I'm excited about that brand as well, about Humbrol, but I'll go into another video. So there you go, that's the video. If you want to have a chance of winning this kit, be a subscriber, write a comment regarding Airfix and what models impressed you, or what's inspired you, and then we'll go through the comments and I'll select one. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell to be notified of all new videos. And this is a quick one, but I will see you very soon. Cheers.